Ever encountered the dreaded payment revision needed message on Amazon? Don't let it spoil your shopping spree. This common issue is usually a simple fix. Let's get your order back on track. Often, the simplest solution is to update your billing information. Head to your Amazon account and navigate to payment options. Select the card that's causing the problem. Carefully review and correct the billing address, ensure it exactly matches the one on your bank statement. Even minor details like an old apartment number or an incorrect zip code can cause issues. Double-check everything. Next, verify the expiration date. If it's expired, update it to the new one. While not always the direct cause, it's worth confirming you have sufficient funds available for the purchase. If you have other payment methods available, try switching to an alternative card or using your Amazon gift card balance. Sometimes, your bank might flag unusual transactions. A quick call to your bank to authorize the purchase can help. If all else fails, try removing the card from your Amazon account and reading it with the correct details. This often resolves persistent issues. With these simple steps, you'll be enjoying your Amazon orders in no time.